What's up, guys? This is Masi. Welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. So as you see here, we have alkyl group and alkyl group that are connected to each other by an oxygen atom. So it means that we are dealing with an ether. So the smaller one is ethyl group. So we are dealing with an ethoxy. And the longest one is going to be this one. 1, 2, 3. And ethoxy connects to the second one, so we have 2 ethoxy, and here we have 2 methyl, because methyl connects to the second one, 2 ethoxy, 2 methyl, propane, because we have 3 carbon atoms. So 2 ethoxy, 2 methyl propane. This is the IUPAC name. Let's see if we have any common name. As you see here, we have tertiary butyl here. That's tertiary butyl, and here is the ethyl. So if we want to name them, we can say tert, butyl, ethyl, ether. That's going to be the common name for this organic compound. Tertiary butyl, ethyl, ether. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like it, and you can also subscribe this channel to have access to many different other videos regarding math and science. Thank you for watching and have a great day.